work friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's come down in the center of our page, and right in the middle we're going to draw in an oval for the nose. Now on the top of this we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the highlight, and then we'll just color in the bottom of the nose black. Let's frame in the muzzle now as we come around. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. And then coming through on the right, lining that up at the same height, we will replicate that. Let's close this off underneath now. So we're going to round that edge out, curving this over and into the middle. And then we'll replicate that on the right as well. Let's draw in the mouth. So coming down to the middle, stepping over, we're just going to arch this line over and through to the left. And then we're just going to add in a corner bracket on the side. Let's come up for the eyes now. So right in the middle here, we're going to bring this line down, up, and then we're going to curve that over. And then starting in the center again from this line, bringing this down, lining that up at the same height, curving this up, and then back across. Let's round out the side of the eye. So starting from this line, we're going to curve this over and in towards the muzzle there. We'll do this exact same thing on the right, pulling that down. Now let's add in an oval for the eye. So stepping in, we're going to bring this line down, arching this up, connecting that in on the top. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Coming in towards the middle again, leaving a gap here, rounding out this arch line, pulling that up. Let's add in our highlight now. So on each side, we're going to draw in an oval for that highlight. And then now let's just color in our pupil black. Now let's frame in our head. So leaving a gap, we're going to round this out, curving this over and through to the top. We'll replicate that on the opposite side as well, ending that at the same height. Let's frame in the ear now. So from that point, we're going to curve this around and through on a diagonal to the top. We'll replicate that on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from that point, let's pull this line down and into the center. Drawing in the middle of the ear now, coming up on a diagonal, we're just going to curve this across, leaving an even amount of space on both sides. Now from that point on the bottom, we're rounding out the edge, following the shape that we have on the outside for the ear. Now again from that point, dragging this around and down in the corner. Let's frame in the top of the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this into the middle. And then from that point on the top, we're going to round that out, pulling that down on the right. Let's come over on the left-hand side, curving this around and down. We'll line this up at the exact same height on the right-hand side, curving this over and into the bottom. Now from that point, we're going to pull this over and through to the chin. Let's come up again from that edge. We're just going to curve this out to the side. And then from that point, we're just going to round this out, tucking this over and in towards the ear. And that is it. That's how you draw Sonic the Hedgehog for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.